Welcome. This is how to send PDF to WhatsApp. So guys, first thing is just simply go ahead and tap on the application WhatsApp. And now from here, just simply select the person that you want to message and send the PDF to. For example, I will be using this message inbox over here. So now, in order for you to send a document, you could select the paperclip icon over here, guys, beside the camera icon. So tap on that, and you will have a bunch of options, and you will have your document. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for settings over here, and go for permissions, and make sure to select the storage, and make sure that it is allowed. From here, guys, just simply select the PDF in one of your phone storage. And from here, you could select send. And after that, as you can see, we should now be able to send a PDF. And when they tap on it, they should be able to open it up with a Word or any file. And they should be able to have a preview. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.